Capybara, the world's largest rodent, but built more like a small, sturdy grazing animal than the mice and rats people picture. In river meadows and marsh edges across South America, groups of capybaras graze, rest, and slip into the water whenever they need a safe exit. By daylight, a capybara herd looks calm. Broad heads, blunt muzzles, and thick bodies sit low over strong legs. Their brown coat matches dried grass and wet mud, making the herd easy to miss until one moves. Ears, eyes, and nostrils sit high on the head, so a capybara can stand mostly underwater and still see, hear, and breathe. Water shapes almost everything about their day. They feed on grasses and water plants at the edge of ponds and slow rivers, using chisel-like front teeth that never stop growing. Chewing wears those teeth down just enough to match the constant growth, keeping a sharp edge for cutting tough stems. As the sun climbs, heat pushes the herd towards shade and water. Capybaras sink into shallows or mud to cool skin and avoid biting insects. Only the ridge of the head stays above the surface. A sudden snort, shake of water, or flick of an ear passes quiet signals through the group without drawing much attention. Life in open wetlands means living on alert. Capybaras watch for jaguars, caimans, large snakes, and big cats that patrol forest edges. One animal lifting its head or freezing can be enough to shift the whole herd's mood. A sharp bark sends younger animals and nervous adults splashing for deeper water or thicker reeds. Social life helps them cope with those risks. Capybaras gather in groups that can range from a few animals to several dozen, built around an adult male, multiple females, and their young. Resting close together means more eyes and ears scanning for movement, and predators lose the advantage of surprise. Within the herd, contact and grooming keep bonds strong. Capybaras rest side by side, leaning against each other or dozing in loose piles. They nibble at each other's fur to remove loose hair and insects. Low purrs, soft chirps, and gentle whistles pass back and forth as they shift positions or trade places at the water's edge. Communication runs on more than sound. Capybaras mark trails and resting spots with scent from glands near the nose and on the rump. When one animal rubs against grass or a log, it leaves a chemical note that others can read later, helping them track who passed by and which paths connect safe feeding and resting areas. Young capybaras stay close to the group from the start. Several females may give birth around the same time, and their young form a loose nursery. Pups follow adults to grazing spots, copy which plants they bite, and learn where safe water, firm ground, and quick escape routes are found. Because capybaras eat mostly tough, fibrous plants, their digestion works in stages. After an initial pass through the gut, some material is re-eaten to pull more nutrients from it, a strategy shared with other grazing animals that live on poor quality food. This slow, efficient process helps them get through dry seasons when fresh growth is limited. Seasons shift the balance between land and water. In the wet season, floodplains spread out, and capybaras can swim between scattered islands of grass and shrubs. In the dry season, water shrinks into fewer pools. Those remaining patches concentrate food, animals, and predators together, tightening the daily contest over space and safety. Capybaras are strong swimmers. Webbing between their toes and a heavy, barrel-shaped body help them move steadily through the water and stay stable in currents. If threatened, they can slip off a bank, dive, and swim underwater for short distances before surfacing quietly among reeds. Around farms and ranches, capybaras share pastures with cattle and other livestock. They trim grasses close to the ground and can open up small trails to water that other animals use. At the same time, heavy grazing in the wrong place can put them in conflict with people who depend on those same fields for crops and forage. In some regions, hunting and habitat changes have reduced capybara numbers, while in other areas they remain common or even increase where water bodies and open grass are maintained. Their future largely follows the shape of wetlands, where rivers still flood, ponds still form, and banks stay wild. Capybaras keep their place at the edge of land and water. Seen up close, a capybara is simple and steady. It grazes, rests, watches, and swims, repeating the same pattern day after day. Yet that pattern links open grass, hidden channels, and the predators that move between them. In the quiet hours at a marsh edge, the presence of capybaras is a sign that the water, banks, and surrounding fields still work together as a living system.